Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the area and protecting surfaces, then measure each wall and cut strips 4 to 6 inches longer than the height to allow trimming. Once the paste is mixed to the manufacturer's ratio, brush an even coat onto the paper back and fold it paste to paste. This booking lets glue activate without drying. Make sure to mark your first strip edge. Align that vertical guideline with your plumb line so the pattern stays straight as you apply the first strip. Once booked, unfold the top half and position the strip so the top edge sits about 1/2 inch above the ceiling, then let the bottom hang. Smooth the paper from the center outward with a soft brush to remove bubbles, and use a seam roller gently on vertical seams. Press firmly, but don't overroll to avoid crushing the texture. Make sure you match patterns precisely by offsetting subsequent strips as needed, trimming excess at top and bottom with a sharp. To finish, run a straight edge and sharp blade along ceiling and baseboard to trim the excess, then wipe away paste smears with a damp sponge so you don't stain paint. Once strips are trimmed, re-roll seams and use seam adhesive if any edges lift. Allow the wall to dry fully before reattaching outlet covers and moving furniture back. If you get persistent bubbles, lift the affected area and reapply paste or slit the bubble vertically to release trapped air and smooth it down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.